November 29, 1962. While the world watched the Cuban Missile Crisis aftermath, two historic rivals sat down in London to sign a treaty not for peace, but for speed. Britain and France were about to bet everything on a plane that could fly faster than a rifle bullet. Passenger jets cruised at 500 miles per hour. Comfortable. Profitable. Safe. But the Soviets had just announced their supersonic Tu-144 program. If the West didn't act, they'd lose the aviation race. The problem? Supersonic flight created temperatures hot enough to melt aluminium, sonic booms that shattered windows, and fuel costs that could bankrupt airlines. The treaty was radical: split the costs, split the engineering, split the risk. Britain would build the engine, the revolutionary Rolls-Royce Olympus 593 that could handle reheat at Mach 2. France would design the delta wing, a shape that could slice through air at twice the speed of sound without tearing apart. Together, they called it Concorde. First flight, 1969. Commercial service, 1976. London to New York in 3 hours and 30 minutes, half the time of any other plane. It flew at 60,000 feet, so high passengers could see the Earth's curve. Only 20 were ever built. Tickets cost $12,000 round trip in today's money. The last flight landed in 2003. But that treaty proved something bigger, that former rivals could engineer the impossible together. Today, Boom Supersonic and NASA are building the next generation of supersonic jets, quieter, cleaner, faster. And it all started with a handshake on November 29, 1962. Follow it on this day in science for more real science that shaped our world.